Alright, you guys, my mom just got a new washing machine after the stole one. Beat up in a piece of shit. So, in the new washing machine, my mom and me took the whole thing apart. A little chaos here and there. So, you open it, get a new sample of tie-dye. I'm a tie. What else did you get, Mom?
The directions and a new hose, which we're not going to use.
Yay.
And that's it.
And this little piece of shit. And this is our new washing machine. Pretty neat. I was gonna say, where the hell fast do you have? Ow. I don't have my thumb right here.
Sorry.
So, guys, I don't know if you saw that. My mom was reaching out doing something, and I had my thumb in the washing machine. Ow!
Oh, sorry.
Alright, and so this is the inside from the old one. And you can tell it still looks good, but how many people we had to come out here for?
Huh?
How many people had to come out to fix it?
2.
And what they said?
The one guy said it was broken. The alternator was broken, and the other guy said, no, it isn't. It's fine.
Yeah.
And it wasn't really fun.
So guys, there you go. So we're gonna try this out, and if it works, it works. If it doesn't, my mom just wastes what, $200?
I don't even remember.
Yeah. We'll let you guys know on Twitter and Instagram, okay? Oh yeah, plus today's my mom's birthday. Anytime you see my mom, call her Mr. President. She's turning 46. She already had a great birthday morning.